It's undeniable. If you were in a situation where you were starving and people put like a different varieties of ripe, raw, vibrant fruits in front of you, a bunch of different varieties of raw grains right in front of you, bunch of different variety of raw root vegetables, potatoes, sweet potatoes, all raw, and then a bunch of chickens and cows and pigs and stuff like that live, what would you go for? Instinctually, what can you digest? What are you attracted to? You know what I mean? What are your hands good for in that situation? Are you going to try to claw the animals to death? Are you going to try to digest the raw grains and beans? No? Then it just shows that for millions of years, this was an easy decision for humans to make. People say, oh, but we weren't humans because we hadn't used fire. 99.9% of every other species on this planet, without fail, is attracted to, can consume and digest its species-specific food in its raw natural form, and the closer they get to eating that way, the healthier they're going to be. And with humans, the blue zones have already shown that a high carbohydrate diet with lots of vegetables is the key to longevity. So with that being said, if you got any more questions, please let me know. Peace.